Children, very warm and welcoming good evening. Today I am going to talk to you people about Nelson Mandela Long Walk to Freedom. This is a chapter number 2 in the first book of class 10th, English Language and Literature. Children, this particular chapter is a biography and it is written by National Rolihlahla Mandela himself. In this particular chapter, Mandela talks about the ways, the process in which he was able to get freedom from apartheid. अपार्थीड के बारे में एक वाक्य में आपको समझाएं, इसका भावार्थ, अर्थार्थ और इसका अनुवाद है काले और गोरों के बीच में रंगभेद नीति। पूरे विश्व में जो गोरे प्रजाति के लोग हैं, जो ध्रुवीय प्रदेशों के आसपास रहने वाली मानवता है, वह गोरी है, और जो भूमध्य रेखा के आसपास के रहने वाली मानवता है, वह मानवता जो कि सूर्य की सीधे किरणें पड़ती हैं उन पर, उनके रंग जो होते हैं चमड़ी के काले होते हैं। एक काले और गोरे रंगभेद की नीति के तहत दक्षिण अफ्रीका में जो है अंग्रेजों का या यूरोपियन का शासन था, और ये जो है बहुत शोषण करते थे इन काले लोगों का। बच्चों, इन काले लोगों का जो शोषण करते थे, उस नीति को, उस प्रक्रिया को अपार्थीड कही गई। इसकी मुक्ति पाने के लिए नेल्सन मंडेला ने काफ़ी लंबा संघर्ष किया, और संघर्ष के बाद इससे मुक्ति मिली दक्षिण अफ्रीका को। और आज 10 मई 1994 को उनकी सरकार जीत कर आई है, जो एक अश्वेत सरकार है, और एक अश्वेत प्रथम व्यक्ति होंगे जो दक्षिण अफ्रीका के राष्ट्राध्यक्ष होंगे। तो यहाँ उनका शपथ समारोह है। उस समय पूरे विश्व के बहुत सारे देशी को लोग दक्षिण अफ्रीका में आए हुए हैं। प्रिटोरिया जो राजधानी है, वहाँ पर ये सभी लोग इकट्ठे हुए हैं, और वहाँ उनका शपथ ग्रहण समारोह है। चिल्ड्रन, दिस इज बायोग्राफी एंड स्पेशली ही टॉक्स अबाउट द फ्रीडम. He talks how the freedom is and how freedom has a relative meaning. When he was at his childhood, there was a different meaning of freedom. Freedom was in this, that how to be out of home, how to be among friends, how to roast mealy under the star, and how to take a bathing in clear running water, and more than that, to ride on a slow walking bull and walk on that. These were the childhood freedom. Later on, when he became an advocate practicing for the law, he realized himself at the beginning what he was having as concept in freedom, those things were just only and only the illusion, and the real freedom is quite different to that one. The real freedom was of freedom oneself, and freedom was in aspect of two ways. One as personal and second one as community. The personal freedom was about the life of one's own. One's duties are attached with one's freedom, as one is liable, responsible for he himself, for his family members, his parents, his wife, his children, and completely and fully he had to perform many duties in respect of fulfilling his liabilities and there would be some honorable freedoms where he can marry someone, he can lead the life happily. Then the freedom coming towards the community, towards the society, and towards the unit of administration of that particular country, and then going to be in a broader way for the whole country. And in community, the freedom means that all the members of that community should have enjoyed the freedom, should have authority to have their own liability responsibilities, and they must be offered the valuable and special time to enjoy their life. That was the second meaning of freedom. When he was going to take oath, he was accompanied by the army officers, the police officers. These officers, these members of police and army crew, earlier used to put him into jail. They were having the badges, the medals, the stripes at their chest, at their upper part of arm. But in spite of those things, he realized that earlier these people put Nelson Mandela into jail, but now they were welcoming, they were following him, and they were at his order. ये सारे के सारे इतने बड़े अधिकारी, बड़े बड़े अधिकारी, पुलिस अधिकारी, बड़े बड़े सैन्य अधिकारी, ये सब इनकी बात, इनके आदेश की सेवा में खड़े थे। जबकि पहले इन्होंने उठा करके नेल्सन मंडेला को जेल में ठूसा था, जेल में डाल दिया था। काफी समय तक बच्चों 27 साल तक नेल्सन मंडेला जेल में रहे। यहाँ पर जब वो सब पहुँचते हैं और जब वहाँ पर नेल्सन मंडेला पहुँचते हैं, सबसे पहले जो उपराष्ट्रपति की शपथ लेते हैं और लोग दूसरे शपथ लेते हैं। जब इनका टर्न आता है शपथ लेने का, नेल्सन मंडेला टेक्स एन ओथ दैट ही would have full faith in the constitution of Africa, South Africa, and he would have full duties and responsibilities to fulfill, to complete for his people, for his member. He expresses in his speech that he was really happy as the land of Africa was going to see the departure of injustice, the departure of coercion. Children, he states here that coercion in two ways: the person who is being coerced and the person who is having coercion. जो शोषण कर रहा है वो शोषण करने वाला व्यक्ति, और जो शोषित है जिसका शोषण किया गया है, these both persons are debarred from justice. They both are the victim of injustice. ये दोनों अन्याय के शिकार हैं. As far as injustice that has to be removed from the land of South Africa, Nelson Mandela states that this is in witness of these great dignitaries of various countries, the administrative officers of various countries who were gracing this oath-taking ceremony. Nelson Mandela states that these all people who are gracing here, this is the symbolic, and I am damnly confirmed here, perfect here, that there should be two national anthems. One anthem was sung by the black people for the black, and one was sung for the white people. These two national anthems is going to unite the two humanities, the black and the white, and this will lead a very beautiful and enjoyable, charming and progressive life for the humanity of South Africa. He concludes that in coming days the sun would shine on this earth, and there would always be justice, there would always be fraternity, there would always be simplicity, magnanimity, and all the people of the world will observe that South Africa is going to grow in a better manner, and there will be the newness in air. There will be the strength and courage among the people. All the people of this country would flourish, would grow, would have the affections, the love, the care, the understanding. In this way, he energizes his people and believed that coming days would be the days of South Africa. This way, I conclude my chapter. Children, may God bless you. May success marry you. Have a very, very lovely and happy learning. Thank you very much and good day.